Okay guys, check it out. Look at it guys. This is the real oats, peanut and plantain porridge guys. Check it out. Wow, nice and delicious guys. Guys, you want to try it?
Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up yourself.
Big up Ceylon TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV, one.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, Str8yaad TV. In the kitchen today guys, we're gonna cook up some star malls always. So you know, this morning we're gonna make some breakfast guys. Quick, fast and easy. Something healthy, something nice. Okay, something delicious. So guys, we're gonna make some plantain, oats and peanut porridge guys. 3 in 1. 3 of the most nicest thing to make porridge. Okay guys, 3 of the best ingredients. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna show you the ingredients I'm gonna use. I have the pot on the stove already on low because I don't want my water to boil. I'm just keeping it hot as for now until I'm ready. I'm gonna add some salt to the water. You know how we do it? Okay guys, so here is the ingredients we're gonna use to make the porridge. We're gonna make some, like I said, we're gonna make some nice porridge this morning, okay? So we have some raw peanut here. We have 2 finger green plant. We're not gonna use 2 finger, we're only gonna use 1. Because if you're using a lot, if you're making a lot, guys, you can step up on the ingredients, okay? So 1 finger we're using, a nice finger. You see that guys? Well fit. And over here, we have some old-fashioned, real organic oats, guys. This is roll oats, okay? Some of the best oats. Celtic's oats also is a good oats to use. Very good. Okay? So, we have milk here for sweetener. You don't have to use milk if you want. You can use some coconut milk. And you can use sugar if you want to sweeten it, or honey. I'm giving you options, guys. So, we have a milk here for sweetener. We have a vanilla. You know, we can't make porridge without that. We have a nutmeg. We have a cinnamon. And this is real cinnamon, guys. This is Ceylon cinnamon. And we have a salt. So guys, we're gonna get going. We're gonna get cooking. So stay tuned. Watch the video to the end. Give it a thumbs up. Remember to like and share. Watch Str8yaad TV. Okay guys, so we're gonna peel up a green plantain. That's the first thing. Cause you know we're gonna do some blending, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to peel the plantain. I already think I showed you that, but we're gonna show you again, guys. You just make a little line in it like that with the knife, okay? And it's better when you make the line in the seam, my peeps. You see the seam? It's easier. And you just go down with your finger, and you don't use your fingernails. You use the side of your finger, like right here, okay? I'm gonna show you. Just use the side of your finger, and you just do like that. Very easy, my peeps, okay? Very easy. See? Real quick and fast. Very easy. And this plantain is nice and fit, healthy guys. Very nice and fit. So I'm gonna show you how to peel it quick and fast. See? Quick and fast. And then you take the knife and you just brush off these little pieces that leave on it. Alright? Just like that. So who never know how to peel a plantain? Now you know. Alright? See there. Nice and pretty. Okay, my peeps? So what I'm gonna wash it off, I'm gonna cut it up and come right back to you guys. We're gonna get in the blender, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching the channel. Okay, my peeps, so what we're gonna do, I'll get in the peanut in the blender. Cause you know we have to go blend, right? We're not using all this peanut because we're gonna be making a little bit of porridge, like for about 3 of us, or 4. Alright, so just a little bit. Now, we're gonna get in our oats. So, some oats, guys, you can put the amount you want to put if you're cooking for a big family, okay? Alright, people, so right now, we're going to add plantain, just like that, okay? And then now, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some water. I'm gonna show you the amount of water I'm gonna add to it. You can use cold water, hot water, any water, it doesn't matter. I always have my water in my blender, so you know how it go. Warm water. Faster, break it down quicker. So now I'm gonna cover that up. I'm gonna go straight to the blending, my people. Straight in the blending we're gonna go now. Okay, my people, so now everything is in the blender. So we're gonna go ahead and blend it, guys. You need to blend it until it's smooth and rich and creamy. No grains, okay? So right away, let's go. We're gonna put the blender on. We're gonna go on high speed, my peeps. Okay, my people. So here is it, guys. Nice, rich, and creamy. See that? This is what we're talking about, okay? So now we have the pot on the fire. We're gonna just pour it out in the pot right away, okay? It's gonna be a nice pot of porridge, guys. Nice pot of porridge. And this red you see in the pot, guys, is the husks of the raw peanut. Don't worry about it, it's still good, it's nice to eat. So guys, when you're making porridge, you gotta keep stirring all the time, okay? So what I'm doing right now, I'm just stirring it out. Keep mixing it out so it's smooth. Okay. Nice and rich. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna make some nice porridge and we're gonna come right back to you later on and show you the porridge, guys. In between, I'll show you when it's boiling, what we're doing and the sweetening and all these things. Okay? So stay tuned. Watch the video, guys. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt, guys. And you know, when you make porridge, you have to add a little salt for flavor, okay? Just a little bit like that. Okay? Alright, and then you stir it up again. Okay, stir it up. Okay, that is it. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end, guys. Once. Okay, my beautiful people, take a look at it. This one is a request, you know, guys. This is a request. This is a request. One of my subscribers tell me he wants me to teach him to make this one. So I hope you're watching, you know yourself. You say you're tired of buying at the restaurant and it's nice. So I must teach you how to make it on the channel. Now I'm making it for you guys. This is a restaurant quality, okay? This is more than restaurant quality anyway. Trust me. Look at it. See that? Look at it, peeps. The richness. Pay good things in this pot, okay? Nice and thick. I don't make water porridge, you know, my people. Make nice and thick porridge, but not too thick like you're eating pie. Because my porridge is not a pie. My porridge is porridge. See there? Nice. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna boil it until it's fully cooked, my people. Then we're gonna go in the seasoning process, which is all of my beautiful ingredients here. Like my nutmeg and my, you know, and we're sweetening. Them that we are going now, they are finished now, we're gonna take them off the counter. Those are finished. We finish with the oats and the salt and the peanut already. Okay? So see it here? Look at it. Nice. Rich. Well rich. So stay tuned, watch the channel. Okay, my beautiful people, take a look at it. You see it's bubbling up nice? Yes, that's a good sign. Showing you it's cooked equally. Not too thick, not too thin. Okay? That's what we're talking about. I'm gonna show you something, guys. You see? This is the texture you're looking for when you make porridge. This type of texture. Not no thin, loose water stuff. This is porridge at its best. And this peanut they need to cook. That's why I blend them out so fine. Okay? See? Yeah. It's gonna be so nice, guys. And you know peanut can't eat raw, okay? Especially the raw peanut. You know it can eat raw also. So we just cook this with the plantain and the oats are already there. But you know we have to cook it till it give you the flavor that we needed. And the texture, okay? So it all depends on how you want a porridge. If you want it thin, you want it thick, you want it extra thick, you want a pie. Okay? It's up to you guys. But I don't really cook pie. And I don't really cook thin porridge like a water. I cook nice, rich texture porridge, okay? If you notice around the pot, guys, don't worry about it. That's when you're cooking porridge and you're stirring and you keep stirring. All around the side is gonna stay there and do it thing and form like that. Don't worry about it, it's okay. Okay, my beautiful people. Right now, see there? Well cooked, okay? Nice. So I'm gonna show you guys sweetening it up, okay? So here I have a little brown sugar. Of course, you don't have to use brown sugar, but I like to use a little brown sugar in mine. It gives it a little bit of flavor, guys. So I'm gonna add some brown sugar in mine. Not a lot, just a little bit to flavor it up. It bring the flavors up, okay? You can absolutely don't use it if you don't want to, okay? Trust me, you can just use milk if you want. But I like a little brown sugar in mine. Bring up the flavor a lot. And the salt also. That's why I put salt in mine too. Brings up the flavor, okay? Then I have a teaspoon of nutmeg. I just go ahead and grate my nutmeg, guys, off cam. So I have a teaspoon. So I'm just gonna pour it in it. And then we mix it out, okay? Sweetening time, guys. Time to eat. Time to eat. See that? My subscriber, you see that? I'm making this one as a request, guys. So right now, we are going with the vanilla. You can use vanilla extract, you can use any kind of vanilla you have. But I like this flavor. And I like the vanilla extract too, but I don't have none at this time, so I'm using this one. This is a nice one. Benjamin flavor. Benjamin brand. This is what we use at Jamaica all the time. So I'm going at 1 cock. 2 cock. Okay, my peeps. So it's like 2 caps, okay? Alright. And then you mix it in. And you can put the amount you want at your flavor. But I'm just telling you how to make it the nice, perfect way. Okay? If you like vanilla a lot, okay, go ahead and put the amount you want to put. But guys, you want to smell this? Flavor turn up. So now we are going with a teaspoon of cinnamon, okay? The Ceylon cinnamon. No, I'm a judge, I know, guys. Don't worry. I know how to judge. I've been cooking a long time. So here we go with the cinnamon. Just gotta mix them in, guys. This is the key seasoning, you know, guys. Key spice, as a matter of fact. It's a spice. All of these things I'm using, they are spice, okay? Spice up your flavors. Alright? Give it some good taste in your mouth. Okay, guys? See? So it look? This is all the spice that I put in already. And guys, you want to smell it. The flavor smells so nice. Like you can just eat it like that. This is what we're talking about, my peeps. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with a little condensed milk, my peeps. Here is it. I will go ahead and cut it open. So I'm just gonna add some to it. Just enough to give it the flavor you want, okay? Not to get it too over sweet. Okay? So I always tell them if you want more sweetener, you can add it to yours. But I like to add just a perfect amount of sweetener. Not over sweet, not fresh. Just the right flavor that you're looking for. Okay? And remember, guys, try this one at home. Don't only watch me and don't try it. This is very nice and healthy. It's rich. Okay? I have a subscriber that she go to the restaurant all the time and she buy it all the time at the restaurant and she want to learn to make it. So she can make it at home. Alright, so here you have it. This is it, my peeps. And then of course, my peeps, when you're cooking anything, or seasoning anything, or sweetening anything, you taste it, okay? Taste it for the flavor you want. So like this, I need some more milk. Alright. And you keep mix, guys, mix. Mix it in. If you know, I sweeten mine with a low fire under it, guys. Because the fire help it to season, take the spice real fast. And it melt the sugar real fast, it melt the milk real fast, so it get the flavor up and running real fast. In a quick time. Just never take it off the fire same way, because porridge is a thing that stay hot. Remember that. It's not something you can just take up and put to your mouth. You have to cool this thing when you're eating it. This thing will burn your lips off, okay? So remember, safety come first. Cool your porridge before you eat it. Eat it to the way you can manage it. Alright. So let me taste it again, my people, with a different finger this time. Yes, this is what we're looking for. Once a year. Okay, my beautiful people. We finished sweetening it now. I'm gonna test it again. And see if it's this what I'm looking for, okay? This is what we're talking about. Guys, flavor turn over. You can taste the peanut. You can taste the plantain. You can taste the oats, guys. This flavor that I have here, you can taste all the ingredients in the porridge, okay? Nothing sweet. Guys, if you like sweetness, you can sweeten it to your flavor buds, okay? And your taste bud. The ingredients will be in the description below, okay? And you can follow it, and if you want to add more sweetener, you can add more sweetener. That's all, okay? So here you have it, guys. We're gonna show it some, and we're gonna play it and show you what's going on, okay? So stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video. Str8yaad TV. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. As you come on the channel, please give it a thumbs up. It goes a far way. It helps the channel to grow and help the content to share across the world, guys. So, Str8yaad TV in the kitchen, guys. Look at this. Real porridge, my people. Real. Look at the flavor. You see that? No water around here. You see that texture? That's what we're talking about. Yes, people. So this is what we're talking about, okay? We have oats, peanut, and plantain porridge, guys. This is off the hook. Remember, guys, this is the real one. You can make it at home and come back and tell me. I know you're gonna love it, guys. So stay tuned. Str8yaad TV up and running. Okay, guys, here is the end result of this beautiful porridge that we just make. It's peanut, plantain, and oats, guys. Check it out. Let me give you a story to show you how it look, guys. It's so thick and rich. Watch that. You think this is water? It's a real porridge, my people. Real, look. So how thick it is? Real porridge. See it there? This is a porridge we are talking about, my peeps. So, see, let me give you one story again. Let me show you how water go on pan it. Let me mess up the bowl for you. I can do that. Just to show you what I want. See it? Look. This is no water, okay? And see how long me a story? Look. This is porridge at the best. Okay, my peeps? So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And remember to tell a friend, go over to Str8yaad channel. And he have some beautiful content going on over there, guys. So you need to go over there and watch, like, comment, and subscribe on them too also. And tell a friend to subscribe. Str8yaad TV up and running. We out.